Quick and easy designing is what this is all about. I know we're all busy and sometimes you just haven't got time to think about what to do. You don't need a lot of flowers. Sometimes 3 stems is all you need. Don't have a vase? Don't even worry about it. I've got an empty wine bottle here that I've taken all the labels off, and onto the side of that, of the empty wine bottle, I've just used some glass and tile paint and just done a little wee diagram, or just a little wee sort of leaf and viney sort of a design on the side of that. You could either use those, if you could be bothered, or what's wrong with 3 empty water carafes, 3 beautiful peony, 1, 2, 3. Easy designing. If you didn't want them like that, running along a table for a beautiful dinner, you could just put them all into a little group like so, and there you have 3 beautiful, beautiful flowers. And you know when they say less is more, I think I have to agree with them, because less is more.